Good morning to one and all. Myself V. Dilip Kumar, Assistant Professor in Department of Computer Science and Engineering, SRKR Engineering College, Bhimavara. In this video, I am going to discuss about the security services and mechanisms. The objectives. The objectives of this lecture are to define security services and how they are related to the security goals. To define security mechanisms to provide security services. To identify the relation between security services and security mechanisms. Security services. The security services are data confidentiality, data integrity, authentication, non-repudiation, and access control. The security services are providing security to the data which will transfer over the unsecure channel. Data confidentiality. Data confidentiality means we are kept the data as secret and the data is aware for authenticated persons only. Data integrity. Integrity means there's no modification is done over the network. Data transmission over the network. In data integrity, there are anti-change and anti-replay attacks. And authentication. Authentication means giving identity to the sender and receiver. Non-repudiation. Non-repudiation means after sending the message, the sender tells that I'm not sending the message. Means he deny to see that he is not sending. Or otherwise, after receiving the message, the recipient or tell that I'm not receive the message. And next one is the access control. Only authorized persons having the level of control. Security services authentication assures recipient that the message is from the source that it claims to be from. So the recipient always knows that who will send the message. Access control controls who can have access to the resource, under what condition. So for example, in Unix file systems, we are having the access control of read, write, execute of resources for the users, groups and others. Availability. Availability available to authorized entities for 24/7. Data confidentiality. Information is not made available to unauthorized individuals. Data integrity. Assurance that the message is unaltered. There is no modification is done over the network transmission. Non-repudiation. Protection against denial of sending or receiving the communication. Security mechanisms. Mechanisms to implement the services are called security mechanisms. In these, the first one is the encipherment, that is also called as encryption process. And second one is the data integrity and digital signatures for authentication and authentication exchange, traffic padding, routing control, notarization, and access control. Security mechanisms. Encipherment. This is hiding or covering of data which provides confidentiality. Cryptography and steganography are used for encipherment. Here the cryptographic routers. Those routers we are converting the A into N, B into O, C into P by adding 13. Steganography. Steganography means we are hiding the details in an image or in a text is called steganography. In the given example, since everyone can read, encoding text in neutral sentences is doubtfully effective. The first letters of each word is the message that is secret inside. Security mechanism, data integrity. The data integrity mechanism appends to the data a short check value that has been created by a specific process from the data itself. Data integrity is preserved by comparing the check value received the check value generation. For example, we are using the hash functions for data integrity. Digital signature. The digital signature is means by which the sender can electronically sign the data and the receiver can electronically verify the signature. Public and private keys can be used for digital signature. The digital signature uses hash functions and private keys in public key cryptography. Authentication exchange. In this, two entities exchange some messages to prove their identity to each other. For authentication also we are using the public key cryptography and traffic padding. Traffic padding means inserting some bogus data into the data traffic to thwart the adversary's attempt to use the traffic analysis. Routing control. Routing control means selecting and continuously changing different available routes between sender and receiver to prevent the opponent from eavesdropping on a particular route. Notarization. Notarization means selecting a third trusted party to control the communication between the two entities. Access control. Access control uses methods to prove that a user has access right to the data or resources owned by a system. Examples of proofs are passwords and pins. Somewhat we remember and somewhat we possess. Relation between services and mechanisms. Security services. Data confidentiality is provided by encipherment and routing control. Data integrity is provided by encipherment, digital signature, and digital integrity. Authentication is provided by encipherment, data signature, and authentication exchanges. Non-obligation provided by digital signatures and data integrity and notarization. Access control is provided by access control mechanisms. Summary. Security services authentication, access control, availability, confidentiality, integrity, non-obligation. And security mechanisms are digital signatures, encipherment, and traffic padding. Mechanisms are used to providing the services. References Cryptography and Network Security by Ferozen and Cryptography and Network Security Principles and Practices by William Stallings. Thank you.